So today is plaster day. We've got a lot of walls that we've got to plaster up. Not a lot of plastering, but there's a lot of walls with little holes in them. So we're going to get right onto that. First of all, it's Clint's first day back at work. He did say this morning that he'd rather be with you guys and be here with me to do this job. But unfortunately, he has to go to work to pay for renovations and bills. So let's get to it. I'll show you what I've done in the little progress that I've had. So to make my job a bit easier, I went around the house with green tape and I've taped up little sections that need plastering. So let's get to it. This is the plaster that I'm going to use to bog up the holes. And this will also be used as the joiner for the plasterboard when we come to that. Here in the wall, as you can see, they are quite fine. What I've done is I've gone ahead and made them larger. Now you're going to get a shock when you see this, but don't be alarmed. This is what I'm doing to fill the crack properly. So just going in and just digging into the actual crack itself, just to make it a bit bigger. And then once that fills, it will join completely together just nicely. So don't be alarmed, this is just how we do it. Then we'll go ahead and patch this up. So I'm going to dig this right out, all the way through to about here somewhere. It starts to get really faint. Right, a little bit further. Yeah, about there. So, about 1 metre and a bit. And plaster this up now, so I'll show you the end result. There you have it. Once I run over it again, it will be nice and clean cut through there with the plaster. I'll wipe the wall down so I don't have too much sanding to do, but that's definitely a better way to patch a hairline crack, because if you just try and go over plaster on a hairline crack, it does absolutely nothing. So we don't want to have to do all this prep work and paint for a couple of years down the track to find that we've got cracks and then have to start all over again. So that's why I cut through the crack and plastered it up. So there you have it.